Getting your gutters fixed after hail or debris damage can save you a ton of hassle and keep your home safe from water problems. So, first thing, check your gutters for dents or any weird bends after a storm hits. If the dents are small, you can usually just pop them out with a rubber mallet or something soft to avoid making the damage worse. But if the dents are deep or the gutter is cracked, it might be time to replace that section entirely. Also, clear out any leaves or debris stuck in there, because clogged gutters cause water to back up and mess up your roof or foundation. Make sure to inspect the gutter hangers and fasteners too. If they're loose or broken, it's gonna affect how the gutters work. Another tip is to do these checks and repairs right after bad weather, before rust or mold starts forming. And don't forget to wear gloves and safety glasses when you're working on gutters. Those edges can be sharp. If you're not comfortable on a ladder, calling a pro is definitely the way to go. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutter repair after hail or debris damage is ignoring small dents, thinking they don't matter. These dents can mess with water flow and lead to bigger problems later. Fix it by popping them out or replacing the section quickly. Another common issue is not clearing debris properly, which causes clogs and water overflow. Always clean gutters regularly and after storms. Lastly, folks often overlook checking the hangers and fasteners, so gutters sag or even fall off. Tighten or replace these parts to keep everything secure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress. Contractors also get hooked up with real work, making it a win-win for everyone trying to get their home projects done right.